Good morning, it's Captain Will Rogers coming to you from the Miami International Boat Show. And today I'm on one of the flashiest Boston whalers we have ever built, the 35 Outrage. Not only is it a trend-setting and phenomenal boat, but we have wrapped it in a green wrap that makes it pop. Not only have we wrapped the boat hull side, we also have the underside of the hardtop completely in the green shade. That is complemented by this black powder coated frame and even some real neat details like the cleats that are black, the filler cap for the fuel, all the little accent points on the boat in black. One of the other key features that we're doing today also on this boat is that we have the sea deck custom made for the boat. You can see that it continues the green pattern throughout the boat, making it very comfortable wherever you're standing on the boat. Your feet are going to go, wow, this really feels good. So this is part of the customization that we can do with large boats at Boston Whaler. So while we've been known for many years for our white 13 Super Sports, on our large Boston Whalers, 3 and 4 engine boats, we're able to do a higher level of customization to get you the boat you want to be on the water with. So again, custom upholstery here, custom hull side colors, custom deck colors, anything that really is feasible we can do in the large boat group.